Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video titles guys for Infinix phone guy phone eye care mode guy, how can we on and how can we use it. Friends, you want to on guys Infinix phone guy phone eye care mode setting, so how can you on and how can you use today friends we will talk about. So without waste time guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting we will search here guys phone eye care. So we will search here guys phone eye care guys, you can see. Friends, you can see phone eye care guys, we will tap here. Friends, you can see phone eye care setting guys, you can on and you can use. After on guys, your skin color will little change. Friends, you want to change, you can increase and decrease guys your eye care brightness from here. So friends, you can see phone eye care guys, your phone schedule time, you want to off guys phone schedule time, and guys you want to set guys your phone this schedule time, start time and end time guys, you can set from here. As you can see eye care guys, this make it easy to look at on our screen and read. So guys, after on guys, you can use guys your phone easily. Means guys, when you use your phone at night, so you should on guys your phone eye care mode, because guys it is good for it is good for eyes guys. After on guys, we can look at on screen easily and we can use and we can read easily. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on. And friends, you want to off, so guys you can off from here if you want, so you can off from here guys, tap here to off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off eye care in Infinix phone device. So bye guys.